Hello viewers, welcome to Math Genius Abacus. Today we are going to learn about Abacus Zero Level. In this lesson, you will learn how to draw abacus beads, how to identify the beads, how to draw additional beads and simple sums. Let's start together. When drawing the beads, always remember do not fill the circles. Just draw empty circles to represent the beads. Now let's look at some examples. To show 12 on abacus, add 1 lower beads in tens rod and 2 lower beads in ones rod. Next, to add 47, add 4 lower beads in tens rod and 1 upper beads and 2 lower beads in ones rod. Next, to add 53, add 1 upper beads in tens rod and 3 lower beads in ones rod. Next, to add 69, add 1 upper beads and 1 lower beads in tens rod, and next add 1 upper beads and 4 lower beads in ones rod. The next sum is 85. Add 1 upper beads and 3 lower beads in tens rod. Now add 5 in ones rod. Keep practicing these numbers until you can solve them quick. Now move to the next lesson. Identify the beads. There is 2 beads in tens rod, it means 20. Next, 3 beads in tens rod and 1 upper beads, 3 lower beads mean 38. Next, 1 upper beads, 1 lower beads in tens rod makes 63, 81, and this is 97. Now we learn how to add additional beads. To add 5, we should draw 1 upper beads in ones rod, which make it 25. Now to add 11, we add 1 lower beads in 10 rod and 1 lower beads in ones rod, make it 34. Next, to add 20, add 2 lower beads in tens rod. Now answer is 87. Next, to add 15, add 1 lower beads in tens rod and 1 upper beads in ones rod. Answer is 77. Next, to add 20, add 2 lower beads in tens rod, which make it 92. Isn't it so simple? As now we know how to draw and add beads, now we do some simple sum. Let's get started. Here is first sum. Add 5, 3 and 1. Add 1 upper beads, add 3 lower beads and add 1. The answer is 9. Next, add 3 minus 2 and add 6. Add 3 beads, then less 2 beads, and then add 6, 1 upper beads, 1 lower beads. Answer is 7. Next, add 6, 2 and minus 3. Add 6, 1 upper beads, 1 lower beads, then add 2 beads, then minus 3, less 3 beads. Answer is 5. Add 3 and 5 and minus 2. Add 3 beads, then add 5, then less 2. Answer is 6. Add 4, 5 and minus 3. Add 4 beads, then add 5, 1 upper beads, then minus 3, less 3 beads. The answer is 6. Next, add 6, 3 and less 2. Add 1 upper beads and 1 lower beads. Add 3 beads, less 2. Answer is 7. Add 8, minus 2 and add 3. Add 8, 5 and 3 beads lower, then less 2 beads, then add 3 beads. Answer is 9. Next, add 8, less 3, add 4. Add 8, then less 3 beads, and then add the 4 beads. The answer is 9. Hope you like it. Don't forget to share your experience and like and subscribe for more videos.